Hey guys, so now we are about to shoot. I'm gonna record my brother. He doesn't know what's happening. He looks very, very, very innocent. You can see I guess. I'm gonna ask him a question, which is gonna be the purpose of today's YouTube video. Let's see how he gets it done. Something very simple. Can you please explain to me a buy stop and also a buy limit? Those two.
Okay, so basically what a buy stop is you're buying, and a buy stop is when you want to be trading in the direction that the current momentum is going. So if the market is below your entry and you want to enter in the direction of that momentum, then you set a buy stop. Now obviously buy limit would be the opposite. If you want to buy lower than where the current market price is, you would set a buy limit with the intention of price coming down, tagging you in, and then moving in your direction.
Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna call over Fanny Like and we're gonna ask him the difference between the buy sell limit and a sell stop. So we've got my brother here. Fanny Like, I want you to do something for us, ne?
Yes.
Please explain to us that what a sell stop is and what a sell limit is.
Okay, a sell stop is when you are buying.
You're laughing. Shoot, what's a sell stop? I got him off the spot, guys. I got him off the spot, yeah.
Okay, guys, a sell stop, a price has to come, and then once it reaches to that price, then it tag you in and then continue selling to the downside.
Okay, yeah, that's a sell stop. What's a sell? Okay, sell limit. What is a sell limit?
A sell limit is when a price is coming above here and then it touches you, or price is below, then your sell limit has to be above, and then price come and take you in and then start selling. That is a sell limit.
No problem, thanks man. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be speaking about buy stops, sell stops, buy limit and sell limit. Basically we're gonna be speaking about buying and selling orders. So most people, I know that you guys are used to just buying at the current market price. When you want to buy USD to a Nasdaq or whatever, when you see it going up, you are more likely to just press that buy now. And as much as that works, it also doesn't work because maybe you're buying before it has confirmed at your specific direction, or maybe you're just buying before time on which it has to break a certain level for it to buy or to actually continue moving upwards. Or let's say now you are seeing prices currently now here, but there's a level that it has to go down there and test, but you're not going to be available on the market during the time when it does get to that level. So what is it that you need to do? You need to place things such as limits, but let's speak about those. So the first one that we want to be talking about is buy stop. We're going to be talking about buy stop. So how it works is that by explaining it with my words is that you saw I was able to catch my my team. Though they were not even prepared and stuff, and I wanted to hear what it is that they can share to you. But with my understanding, a buy stop is like, let's say when the current market price is at this area. Let's say now let's speak in terms of rents or in terms of just value. So let's say buy stop is when the current value of a specific price is at 14, whether it's 14 rands, $14, it's at 14. But now you're saying that this thing hasn't confirmed yet that it's going to be much more higher. So when it's at 15, that's when I will see that it is confirmed because it has broke new highs. So I will buy when it's above 15. So you place your buy stops at 15.01. That's you saying that once it gets to 15, that's when the order is going to become live. So let's say now the market is moving up, does this, moves up, does this. Then you know that, okay, no, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, higher high, and now price is giving us a higher low, it's going up. But you want to buy, and you don't want to just buy in the middle of nowhere because you're scared it can be a double bottom, a double top. So you're like, what if price breaks above here? That's when I want to buy. So you buy only when price breaks above here. Find out that maybe this area here, the high was, let's say 14. Find out that this area is at 14.15. So you put your buy stops at 14.15. So when price eventually closes and touches this price, that's when your buy trade is going to start being active. So that's how you see a buy stop. I try to keep it a bit more simple, like it's not complicated. If you didn't get that properly, all you have to do is just go back and rewatch what I just said, because there's no other way whereby I can just try to, otherwise maybe it might confuse you and stuff. Okay, so now let's speak about sell stops. We've got a sell stop. So now with the sell stop, it's the same thing but vice versa, meaning that when the price is now at the specific area, and then you are like, okay, I will only sell when it goes this low, meaning that if price is giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low, and this is our lowest low, lower low, this is our lower high. And you are like, I will only sell if price breaks my support to confirm for me that it's really going down. So you put your sell stop here, sell stop, it's not gonna run yet. So even if price does this, you are not gonna be in, you're not gonna experience any losses or profits or anything. The only time you're gonna start experiencing a trade that's running is if price breaks below this low and then it activates you. So whatever, if your stop loss is here, if it does this and it goes down, it took you out with this negative trade. But if it does this and then comes retest and then continues going down, you are now in profit. So that's just the most simplest way that we can look at sell stops. So as long as you are selling below current market price, you are selling below, don't complicate it, you are selling below current market price. That's a sell stop. So now let us speak about buy limits. So a buy limit is a bit more interesting because it's like almost like similar to a sell stop, but in a vice versa way, meaning that when you are now buying below current market price. So what I mean is that if price is going up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Let's say this is resistance, support, resistance. So you're like, okay, this is the resistance, it's gonna come back as support, and then I'm gonna buy when it gets here. So when price is still coming down, what you can do, instead of you having to be on the markets like this and looking at it, you can place a buy limit. Buy limit. You can place a buy limit right here. So if price still continues to go down, once it gets to your like at your area, let's say here it's at 14 and your buy limit is at 13.50. So if price decreases and goes all the way to 13.50, that's when it's gonna start tagging you into this position. And then once it takes you in the position, meaning that only if it touches 13.50, that's when your trade is gonna now be live. And then hopefully if it goes up in your direction, then you sort it. Okay, so as I was saying, guys, like looking at it, this area 1350 is when price is gonna touch us, and then it's gonna activate us into being a valid position, and then obviously going to the upside down. So a buy limit is like when your current market price is here and you are saying that this area is support. Your current market is here, you are seeing that this area that's below current market price is support. So you believe that price is still gonna go down, test support, and then go up. But maybe you're not gonna be available on the screen at that time. So you just place a trade. So when this does happen, you get activated. So if you have placed a trade let's say on support and current market price is here, then it goes down, but it doesn't touch where you wanted it to buy. It turns somewhere and then it goes up. That means you're not gonna be in this trade. You're not gonna be in this because it didn't touch your price. So that's the buy limit. So now explaining the sell limit. It's a bit simpler too. These are things that are like, you can literally master them with just watching this. And one thing that I love about this is that with this way of trading, you're gonna avoid being tagged in and out of the wrong trades. So people will just buy because they feel like it's not the right time to buy, but only to find out that it's not even the right time to buy. You need to wait for it to get to a specific point for you to buy or sell. So this is how these things help you out with. So a sell limit is when price is like going down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and you know that okay, maybe this area is support, now resistance. You're like, okay, it's support, now resistance. So price, you want price to just go a bit more to the upside. Once it gets here, you know it's gonna go down. So you place your sell limit, the sell limit here. Maybe your stop loss, you can place it here. So if this trade goes, activates you here, you're now in a valid sell position. If it goes still more up to your stop loss, you're gonna be out with the negative. But if it just retraces where you put yourself, then it goes down, then you're more likely to capitalize on this beautiful sell position to the downside. So I hope that you guys did or were able to see the differences between buy stops, sell stops, buy limits, sell limits. Obviously this is going to help you out. This is like literally what you need in order to be able to capture those trades that you want to get at specific points. Those perfect entries, I would say. Those trades that actually confirm your direction, your momentum, and all those things. And obviously this is all about you getting the value that I share. Make sure that you comment below, tell me what it is that you think, because also on this topic I got it from one of our brothers that commented below. He told me that he wants a deeper explanation of buy stops, sell stops, and all those stuff, on which here we are, we have presented that to him. But now you can also comment, tell me what it is that you want me to help you out with. Not only that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure that you like and subscribe. So, bye, so much.